Hello everybody, we have another Mustang here for sale, a 1965 Ford Mustang. It is missing the trunk lid, the back looks okay, gas tank is missing, these fenders look alright, glass is there on this door. We have the fenders are missing, seat interior right here, some parts left behind, wiring. There you go. Check out the ceiling. Headliner still there. So this car was protected from the rain pretty well inside. It will be missing the engine and transmission. Alright. We have these cars for sale. 1965 Mustang on eBay. Check it out. Send me any questions you might have. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.